Hello, my name is Mika, and this is my story. I have grown as an active and independent student. Back then, I can still manage my time from chores and routines that I have used to. Pero, hindi ko inakalang sa salitang depression lamang ang magpapatalo sa akin. Time comes when it's too tired for me to get out of bed at gawin ang mga bagay na madalas ko namang ginagawa. Nakakapagod, very tiring, kapoy na jud kaayo, were some of my motivation every day na alam kong hindi ako to. Saan nga ba ito nagsimula? I go to school without any energy and frustrated from things that was normal to me back then.
Late na po ka? Bantay ha, di ka magtaro. Basta ibagsak ni kaani na subject. Miss Ronquillo, what is abnormal behavior?
Abnormal behavior, ma'am, is
Sit down! Wala po ka ka-answer. Pagkapila na ba nila oral? Bagsak pa yan ka last quiz. Basta ibagsak ni ka di kaani na subject. Major ba yan eh? Pagtaro
Sa
ka?
simpleng bagay nasasaktan ako. Sa simpleng bagay nawawala ako sa landas ko. Bagsak na pud ka, bagsak na pud ka, bagsak na pud ka, bagsak na pud ka, bagsak na pud ka. The reason of my trauma starts here. And anxieties were there with me all along at hindi ako makalabas. The room was empty and it's dark. Ang dating honor student, isa ng failure ngayon. Ang dating pinagmamalaki, isa ng walang silbi ngayon. Dahil sa isang pagkakamali. Why is it too hard to open and tell others my side without an invalidation?
kakapagod na.
Nagkakapagod na at mas lalong nakakapagod pa.
Ma? Pa? Ma? Ma? Pa?
Naunsa ni? Sir, na-discuss diri sa kasada dapit, sir.
When both of my parents died, I lost myself more than I lost it before. Sobrang sakit, sobrang nakakawala ng ganang mabuhay. I plan to commit suicide. I just want to get out of this judgmental and ungrateful world. Na sa isang mali, wala ka ng halaga.
Ano kayong wala ipasok sa mga
Tao po? Mika, nandiyan ka ba?
tahanan ng nananampasan din yan.
Dumating ang araw na na-realize ko na mali at mas lalong mali na hinayaan ko na lang na mawala yung landas ko dahil sa diskriminasyon ng tao. My friends taught me how important life is, and it is not the end for me to start again, to improvise once again, the Mika that was tortured with words and negativities of the people that surrounds her. Back then, she is weak, but now, she got enlightened and motivated. Dati, akala niya na wala na lahat at siya na lang naiwan. But then, she realized that God were there all along and God never left her.